Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jessica and today I have the super quick, like the quickest update ever for Painter's Pan because I haven't updated this in a while because there hasn't been a ton to update. And there still isn't a super lot to update, but I feel like I needed to kind of do some kind of an update so I don't forget about it, so you guys don't forget about it. I'm still doing it. So I only have two products, two painters left in this because I am winding it down. And I just wanted to show you where I am with those two products, and they're still going to take me a little bit. So let's start off with Andrea. She's pretty as a peacock, and I had the Bare Minerals Lime eyeshadow in here for her, and y'all have seen this more than ever in my Franken Fridays because I've frankened the heck out of it. It doesn't even look lime anymore, but if you look at me turning it to the light, you can see all sorts of little pans around the edges, pan in the center there. I feel like this one is winding down. It is incredibly thin and it is much more versatile now that I have frankened it. I liked it the way it was originally, but it was not a color that I was going to use all the time. Of course, today I'm wearing green, but you know, I do like to wear my greens, but it's not something I'm going to wear all the time. I really want to get it used up, not because I didn't like it, but because I just want to get some of my older stuff especially used up. So that is where that one stands. And then, of course, I have Jenn from Project Beauty. And if I didn't mention it already, these beautiful ladies are going to be down below. Everyone that I have ever put into this project is going to be linked down below. And for her, I had the Hot Pot from Coastal Scents in the shade Forest Eve. I do actually have this like on my outer third, but I do have my outer V deepened up even more. I have it on my lower lash line. So this is Forest Eve. That is what I have left. But I do have, this is what is actually deepening up my outer V. This was in a Franken Friday. I just took some of this, mixed it with some black so that I could deepen it up because this wasn't quite deep enough. And so I still have both of these. You can see one is significantly darker than the other, and eventually they will be done and this project will be over for me. I do believe Paula is still doing hers. I don't know who else is still doing this project. There might be some people still doing it. I started doing this September 1st of 2020. And as I've explained before, I do really like this project. I like the idea of this project, but it caused me anxiety to have to try to match a product to a person, especially if it's a person I don't really know. And I have to guess when my collection is not very similar to most people's collections. So like I didn't have like products. I think going what, 3.5, almost 4 years of doing a no-buy kind of made my collection vastly different because there was a long time where nothing was coming in, and you know, a lot of people were buying stuff, and I don't know, it just made it very awkward for me. I don't need that. I got enough stress in my day-to-day. I did not need that in my painting life, my makeup life, because I like to enjoy my makeup, and that was not enjoyable to me. But I do really like the premise of this because I love the painting community so much, but all good things must come to an end. So while it's not ending yet, I just wanted to give you a super quick update letting you know I am still working on these products, and eventually I will get them done. I know what's going to happen is I'm going to get the Bare Minerals Lime done, and then I'm going to be left with one. When Lime is done, I will update you then, and then I probably will maybe update quarterly or something until I get the very last one done. It's going a little bit slower than I anticipated, but that is because it is dark, very pigmented, and green. It is very green. All right, so that is everything for this update. Definitely go check out some of the people that I've had in this project before. They are definitely worth the look, and hopefully you will find some new painters that you weren't even aware of being out there. All right, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and until I see you on my next video, have a beautiful day.